welcome to Trendy Kids. How can I help you today?
Hi, we're looking for some new clothes for summer.
That sounds great. Do you need t-shirts, shorts, dresses, or swimsuits?
I need a new t-shirt and some shorts. My old ones are too small.
And I want a summer dress, something colorful.
Perfect. What size are you?
I think I wear a size 10 now.
I'm a size 9 or 10. I'm not sure.
No problem. Let me show you some options. Here are some t-shirts. We have striped, plain, and ones with cool prints.
Oh, I like this one with the skateboard. How much is it?
Let's check the price. It is $12.99.
That's good. And what about the shorts?
These blue ones are on sale for $15.
Nice. I'll take them.
And for you, Molly?
I love this yellow dress with flowers. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there.
Do you sell caps? I need one for the beach.
Yes, we have them near the cash register.
I love the dress. It fits perfectly.
You look great in it. Would you like to buy it?
Yes, please. How much is it?
It's $20, but we have a 10% discount today, so it's only $18.
Awesome.
I'll take the cap too.
Great. Do you need something else?
Yes, I do. I need a swimsuit.
Great. A one-piece swimsuit or a two-pieces swimsuit?
One piece, please. I'm looking for something colorful.
We have pink, blue, yellow, and green.
The pink one, please. Thank you. Ollie, would you like something else?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Perfect. Let's go to the checkout. Your total is $45.99. How would you like to pay?
We have cash.
Thank you. Here's your change and your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.